trying to leave. Let's smoke it. You want that juice? You want the juice and the duck? Be quiet.
I need some bread.
Hey, is there any more chips left? What's that?
Yeah.
Amaya, you should be doing like this, baby. You ain't throwing it out there. Throw it out.
Dang.
Everybody. They say I'm making noise now.
What's wrong with the geese? It's
They
weak.
try to move. You see something wrong with it?
I think it's scared too. And no, it went and started following the ducks. It was like,
You don't want the ducks to eat nothing. You see them there?
I might
Ain't no
try
more
and
bread.
throw it to their. Oh, never mind. I thought they were coming over here.
I know, I thought so too. I know you said just
Go, 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 get it, get it.
quiet. You don't need to get in that water. Quiet.
I'm about to come over here. Oh, look, look. It's on land.
Crack it.
The ducks.
Crack it. Look at that. Double cooking, baby. Now they're going back in.
Go get it before it gets. I got it. I'm getting all of them. I gave it to the duck. Duck, duck, duck. The turtle, a turtle. I see.
He's trying to do that to that duck. Look, you don't want them here.
I see a turtle. It's sticking his face up. That's a turtle, guys. The turtle, mommy, right there. That are watching. I'm in the pond. Right here. I'm at the pond. Big one. Yeah, it's a turtle.
Did y'all see what he did?
Yeah. It was like.
Where's the turtle?
The turtle. It's right there. Sticking his head up.
Look at those chips. They don't want the chips.
Yeah, they don't care about the chips.
Where's the bread?
Sorry, Goose. It's just being mean to my little face.
They got high penalty. Oh, yeah, they eating the chips. I can see. Oh, they talking. You heard that? The one straight across, baby. Straight across coming. You ever see?
Oh, right there. Fargo. I thought there was some over there. That's one over there.
He turned his head. That's why you thought that. But I heard that one over there first. See, he's calling it.
I'm going to pause until that one gets over here. I hear it.
I told you, they talking to each other. Look at the turtle shot, dude.
Still trying to call, even though it's want to eat it. The baby.
Wow.
Oh man, I feel bad for the ducks.
They don't really want that other stuff. They really just want bread.
They're getting so close. The turtle's right in the My mom took us to feed the birds and the ducks and stuff. And the turtle's right there.
Bird from the zoo.
Where?
That one that was here that day.
Oh.
Look at the bag.
So
I think, are the ducks trying to eat the fish, or what are they in here to do?
Yeah. They're leaving. Bye.
All right, they can finish that up. Let's go.
Bye.
Yeah, the goose don't want nothing but bread. We know that.
Okay.